Will artificial intelligence make everything we know and do useless? That is a question many people ask today. The world is changing. Changes seem to come faster every year. New tools appear, some jobs disappear. People get nervous. They wonder if all they have learned will become worthless. But here is the truth. Skills do not become useless. They evolve. The world needs people who can adapt, learn, grow. Machines will change the way we work. They cannot replace the heart of who we are. People are not robots. We are not just collections of data and habits. AI can do many things. It can answer questions, it can write stories, it can drive cars. Yet there are limits to what it can understand. A machine can perform a task it cannot care. It cannot feel joy in a job well done. It cannot take pride in making a difference for another person. So do not fear the rise of AI. Instead, look at it as a challenge. It is an invitation to become more than you were. It is a push to move forward, to learn, become as strong and wise as you can be. Some skills change shape when the world changes. For example, typing used to be a rare, valuable skill. Now, almost everyone types, and computers help us do it even faster. But does that mean communication is less important? No. In fact, it is more important. The way we express ourselves has shifted from pen to keyboard, but the need to speak clearly and persuasively has never been greater. AI can write emails, summarize reports, it can even create art. But behind every message, there must be a mind that knows what matters. If you do not know why you are communicating or what your values are, your work will have no soul. The machine can help, but it cannot decide who you want to become. There are practical skills that may become automated. Calculating numbers, scheduling meetings, driving shopping. These tasks may seem less important, but understanding how they work still matters. When you know the basics, you are not fooled by mistakes. You can spot problems, ask good questions, and make better decisions. Learning is not just about tools. It is about becoming the kind of person who can use any tool well. The world changes, but the need for wisdom, judgment, and curiosity endures. In a world of smart machines, human qualities become more valuable. Wisdom cannot be programmed. It grows in people who pay attention, listen, and learn from life. Integrity is not a skill you can download. It is built in the small choices you make day after day. Resilience matters more than ever. The world will test you. Sometimes your plans will fail. Machines do not care, but you can. You can stand up, learn, and try again. That is what it means to be truly strong. Relationship skills rise in value too. AI cannot understand the pain behind a friend's silence or the joy in a parent's smile. Only people can truly connect. Building trust, showing kindness, leading with honesty. Self-awareness is another treasure. Machines cannot reflect on life. They cannot ask, "Am I doing the right thing?" Only you can grow in character, choose your direction, and decide what kind of person you want to be.